Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cockerel farming. We're talking about a venture that's more than just feathers and clucking. It's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. By the end of this video, you'll see why cockerel farming could be the recipe for success you've been searching for. Let's face it, when it comes to chicken, flavor is king. Cockerel meat is to chicken what Wagyu is to beef, richer, deeper, more intense. It's got this incredible depth of flavor, a real meatiness that those flabby broilers can only dream of. And because these birds are raised properly, allowed to roam and forage, the meat itself is leaner, more muscular, and infinitely more satisfying. And you know what happens when you've got a quality product? You can charge a premium for it. Specialty markets, high-end restaurants, they're all clamoring for naturally raised, flavorful poultry. They're sick of serving up bland, factory-farmed birds, and they're willing to pay top dollar for the good stuff. Organic and pasture-raised cockerels are treated like royalty, and that translates directly into the quality of the meat. So if you're serious about producing top-notch poultry, cockerel farming is the way to go. Now, some of you might be thinking, Gordon, I'm not just a farmer, I'm a breeder. I need strong genetics, not just delicious meat. Well, listen up, because cockerels are the backbone of any successful breeding program. A rooster isn't just there to look pretty and crow at the crack of dawn. He's responsible for passing on those vital genetic traits that make your flock strong, healthy, and productive. Introducing carefully selected cockerels into your breeding program can make all the difference. They can help diversify your gene pool, improve egg fertility, and ensure that your hens are producing strong, healthy chicks. So don't underestimate the importance of a good cockerel. He's an investment in the future of your flock. Now, here's something that might surprise you. In many cultures, a live cockerel is worth more than a hen. While those supermarket chickens are lucky to fetch a few bucks a pound, a healthy, lively cockerel can command a premium price. In some cultures, roosters are prized for religious ceremonies or traditional dishes. They're seen as a symbol of good luck and prosperity, and people are willing to pay a premium for them. There's also a growing movement towards backyard chicken farming, and people wanting to raise their own flocks from scratch. So, if you're looking for a market where your cockerels will be highly sought after, don't limit yourself to just meat production. So there you have it. Cockerel farming isn't just some backyard hobby, it's a brilliant business opportunity. We've talked about the superior meat, the importance in breeding programs, and the booming market for live birds. If you're looking for a way to diversify your farm, increase your profits, and produce top-quality poultry, then cockerel farming is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more farming tips and insights.